Thank you for watching this video. This is going to be a small video tutorial of our math activity centers that we received on the first PD of our school year. So this is a kindergarten version. It's a little bit different than our 1st through 5th grade versions. This is actually a 3rd grade version here for you. So just kind of explain what each thing is in here. So these will be some games that'll be here. So you'll have 2 sets of games for each one. So each unit will have a game on the front and also a game on the back for those. And then you will have a practice and reteach big book here. You'll be able to print these off and copy these and use these for your stations or groups, or even throughout your lessons throughout the week if you need more time. You can also find those here when you go to your Think Central Online. Make sure you click on your grade level and then your Math Activity Center teacher version. That'll pull up this, and then you can print them off here as well. So you don't just have to use that big book. You can use these online version as well. So next thing is our math readers, also one per unit per grade level. So you can use this throughout the week too. You can use this as a little bit of a filler time, or you can use this as a station work time after you're done with each unit, or even during your unit. A center planning guide here. If you want some more information on how to use these according to what Math Expressions has. These are super cool, these in-depth inquiry-based tasks. These have to do with, I was thinking that you would use these maybe towards the end of a unit, like as an end of the unit, like fun type activity, more inquiry-based, activity-based type stuff. Really cool. Those are 1 per unit there as well. And then the big thing that we are working on and looking at are our math activity cards. So these will be when you'll use these after you do your quick quizzes, or if you're in kindergarten, you'll do it after each big idea. So kindergarten does not have a quick quiz, they have big ideas that end their big idea. So you can use these. So this is below level, on level, and then challenge. And then kindergarten has on level and then challenge. So when you look at each card, it'll tell you what to do on each card. So with the below level and on level, I would do those at my back table and pull those. And so if you notice here, it tells you exactly what you need here. This says game cards 2 through 7, and it says TRB M4. So these things are not in your big buckets here. They're not in your big buckets in the bottom. You'll have to find them when you go to your online resource. So it says TRB. TRB means Teacher Resource Book. So you'll click on your Teacher Resource Book, and then you'll go down to Copy Masters, and then TRB, and this one says M4. So I click on M4, I need those 2 through 7 game cards. So I would just print off all of these, not just 2 through 7. So this is just your game cards here. So if it ever says TRB, you would go to this and then go to your masters, copy masters, and you would click whatever level number you need for that. So, so those are those. Same thing with your on level and challenge students. Your challenge students, maybe explain a little bit and then kind of give them free rein to kind of do it how they like to, because those are the students that already get that activity lesson. So each one of these cards, there is one for each lesson. So when you're doing your Mastery Learning Loop Day, you don't necessarily have to pull all 6 of these cards if there's one big idea in there. You just maybe pick 1 or 2 of them, like, oh, these are the ones that the quick quiz had on it. This is what I really want my students to know, what they really need to hone in on. So that's what kind of these are. So yes, tubs. And then these here these are the kindergarten ones, but these are to replace each unit. So your unit 1 is already in each math activity center. So these are unit 2 through 7 or 2 through 8, however many units you have in your grade level. So that's what these are. You have to replace them after each unit test. I think that's it. Awesome. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it.